Hello everyone, hey, welcome to Harbour Street, Broadstairs, where I live. Look down there, there's the beach, Viking Bay, and the gate, which was a portcullis to keep the French out. It's known as York Gate now, but when it was built it was called Colmer Gate, and it was Mary Colmer and Joseph Wright who built the house. Let's have a sit down because I want to show you my latest work. It's called A Flock of Flying Seagulls. Now, you will remember from my series of cheeky birds that the collective noun for seagulls is a squabble of seagulls, but they're not squabbling, they're flying. So I've just called it A Flock of Flying Seagulls. And I have a verse in my pocket, and it goes like this. A flock of flying seagulls. The seagull's scream is one of alarm, a warning that he intends to do harm. So if he bothers you, don't act too hasty. Let him steal your Cornish pasty. Now that verse was written from experience. So I was walking along here and a seagull just came. I was eating a pasty in public, which my mother would have been appalled at, and the seagull came and stole it from my hand. Maybe it was my mother come back to teach me a lesson, who knows. Anyway, on another occasion, they've been rehearsing all day for this. On another occasion, I had my shopping and I left it outside the door because I couldn't be bothered walking all the way round. I didn't have my key with the shopping. And in the minute it took me to walk down the bottom of the garden, back up, through the house, open the door, a herring gull had pecked through the bag and had eaten all the meat. So there we are. So they are super scavengers, which you would think put them in a very lowly position, but in fact it makes them very high up in the food chain.